Welcome to the program Rise and Shine Burundi. Rise and Shine Burundi is a program intended to wake up the potential and the greatness that are found in Burundi, because Burundi was created to be successful, to be great, and to be self-sufficient. Rise and Shine Burundi is a program that is being broadcasted by Fondation Femido Jaba, and it has been prepared by Sibomana Jean Baptiste. So we want to welcome you so much to this wonderful program. Thank you. We welcome you again to this very first program of Rise and Shine Burundi that intends to remind Burundi the need of rising up, to shine and to soar on wings like an eagle. Burundi, if ever you never knew this, I want to remind you of the great potential God gave you. It is in you that God deposited all kinds of wealth. You are rich in great brains that are able to bring innovation and change. The first riches you have is found in the diversity of human resources that can change the whole course of your life. Burundi, you are full of mature people responsible enough to rise up, change the course of your future, and make you reach the highest level in all area of your life. You know, I visited almost the whole world, but I never saw a country like you, Burundi. Your beauty attracts the rest of the world. Your mountains are wonderful. Your beautiful climate, your green hills and various animals that populate you. You possess lakes that surround you and help you to connect to the rest of the world. You are strategically planted in this world. In this program we call Rise and Shine Burundi, we want to emphasize on the fact that you are full of assets that are responsible to change the whole country for the better, the whole region, even the whole Africa. In case you might be feeling inadequate to accept this statement, let me remind you, Burundi, that you have been bringing changes all along since the time you decided to be innovative, making strong partnerships all over the world, and becoming a peacemaker. Everywhere in Africa where there is conflict, you are always asked to bring peace and tranquility. When you go there, you do it in a very professional way, with a high esteem of reputation, with integrity, with character, and you maintain peace effectively. You are to be congratulated, Burundi.
Muri weekend abana bawe untara zose barasayangana.
We are still in our program called Rise and Shine Burundi, and I want to really keep on telling you that this is your time, Burundi, to rise up and shine. Recently, minerals have been found in your soil. In addition to being fertile, because every plantation grows wonderfully, you are ready to enrich yourself with minerals and even fuel in case it can be confirmed. What a beauty you are, Burundi. What a wonder you are, beautiful heart of Africa. If ever I can be asked where to live the rest of my life, it should be in you, my motherland, Burundi. I have never met the Burundi hospitality anywhere in the world. I've never seen people who support each other like you, Burundi and Burundians. If only you can know the riches God deposited in you, there will be great positive changes in you and around you. The region is waiting for you. East African community is waiting for you to bring hope and tranquility. Of course, Africa is waiting for you. In this program, Rise and Shine Burundi, we want to recognize the natural fact and geographical realities that Burundi found himself in through the great intentions of God, the creator of the universe. It is about the origin of River Nile. Just as the great River Nile that fertilizes so many countries originates from you, meaning that water that brings life flows from you, you are quenching thirst of thirsty lives, and you are producing crops for the hungry. This is how you should know God meant things to be. Refreshment is being waited to originate from you. Food is being waited to flow coming from you. In that same way, Africa knows he needs you to breathe and live. Your children, Burundi, have been proving to the whole world how blessed you are. Many athletes come from you, showing that there is great potential in your children, Burundi. Many peacemaking soldiers come from you, showing that you are able to be a peacemaker, Burundi. Lots of examples in good governance are coming from you. That is why many Burundians are leading now international organizations. You can mention a few. You know, Burundi, you are like Singapore of Africa. Just like Ninad Kulkarni comes up with 3 points that made Singapore great. He says that Singapore is great because of its trade, that is always focusing on their busiest port, and it is great because of their finances, that is to increase regular income from sustainable projects, and it is great because of focusing on tourism, which is making it successful. So those things, trade, finances, and tourism, they have made Singapore great. Singapore has been great just being small in size, but yet with a lot of resources, just like you, Burundi, just like you. That is how you can be great, and you are great, and you will be great.
Ibiyaya imyonga n'inzuzi, ibiyaga na Tanganyika, ibikoko n'utunyoni twiza turirimba ubwiza bwawe.
To conclude this program, Rise and Shine Burundi, I want to encourage you, Burundi, to know that in you and through you the rest of the world is going to be blessed. Please stand up and shine. In you there is all that it takes to revolutionize yourself and take Burundians to a successful place in Africa and even in the whole world. Start then recognizing the great potential in you and start being a blessing to people. Keep giving out, meeting the needs of the world, because you are meant to be a blessing to them. You are created to be a shadow for people in the sun, food for the hungry, water for the thirsty, hope for the discouraged, healing for the sick, riches for the poor, and joy for the sad. So rise up, Burundi, and shine, because your time has come. Yes, your time has come, Burundi. So we are reaching to the end of this program for today. This is the first program. because we wanted just to make sure we raise up the dormant lion that is in you, Burundi. And we promise to keep bringing up the rest of this program, Rise and Shine Burundi. And do not miss our next program, Rise and Shine Burundi, that will be broadcasted soon, whereby we will be talking more about how Burundi can be self-sufficient and expand and make exploits. So for those who have comments or want to contact us, you can use this WhatsApp number +639470681005. I want to repeat that number, +639470681005. Or you may use the following email of the Fondation Femi Dojaba, and that is contact@fondationfemidojaba.com. We want to thank you so much, all you listeners who have been listening to this program, Rise and Shine Burundi. This is Sibomana Jean Baptiste, who prepared and delivered this program, Rise and Shine Burundi. So we will talk more again next time. I just want to wish you to have a nice day, and may God bless you all.
Burundi bwacu gahugu keza, sagwa mahoro mubawe, abana bawe bose wavyaye, utekanirwe, utunganirwe, gahugu kacu mutima wa Afrika, abansi bawe bakanibona, waratemvye niwatemaga.